Hey, what's up? It's Nico. This is a very quick walkthrough of me building a framework that writes an elevator pitch. So I googled something like famous elevator pitch, and this website Slidebean came up. They have the best elevator pitch templates and examples. So there's Airbnb, WeWork, and Slack. So I just select everything and copy it onto my canvas. This is going to be my sample data. So the first thing I do is I separate these samples using the stop sequence. The next thing I'm going to do is I will add some labels for AI to understand what this is about. So this is clearly the company name. Let's paste this. Company name. The next thing is I'm going to add a label to the elevator pitch to tell AI exactly what it is. Elevator pitch. These labels can be customized, but you should repeat them. On all your samples. Okay. Lastly, I would add one additional data point, and that is a short description, or let's say company description. And for that, I just went to Google and searched the company name, and we will just use this description over here. That's just one additional data point for AI to understand what this company is about. So basically, we will give AI a company name, a company description, and AI will create an elevator pitch based on these inputs. So let me check. All right, this doesn't belong to the elevator pitch. Let's check this one. Yeah, same here. This doesn't belong to the pitch. Same here. Oh, and this one as well. Okay, so company description for WeWork. Same thing, I just Google WeWork and copy this description. Lastly, for Slack, company description. All right, this is our sample data. So lastly, we will add the inputs. So one more stop sequence, and then company name is going to be our first input. That is input 1. Oh, and I have to be careful. It should be company name, not just company, because AI follows patterns and is very sensitive to this. So this is company name. Then we have company description. This is input 2. And lastly, we have the elevator pitch. So we will give AI a company name, we will give AI a company description, and AI will write the elevator pitch. That's the whole instruction. Now let's prepare the example data. So the example data for input 1 is closest copy. And the example data for input 2 is something like
write engaging box, and here's this simple marketing copy using artificial intelligence and machine learning.
So my description is write engaging blocks and irresistible marketing copy using artificial intelligence and machine learning tools. So select everything, go to frameworks, go to new, paste it in the instruction field, and move the example inputs to the example field. Let me clean this up. And that's about it. Give it a name, elevator pitch. Category is CC tutorials. The length, we need to check the length. The length is 460, 490, 480. Okay, why not just use 500? There we go, let's test. Alright, let's check the results. We have a platform that helps bloggers and small business owners create beautiful, compelling content every single day, no matter how busy they are. The first thing you see when signing up is a short form that asks you to type a blog post. Then you get to use our AI-powered writing assistant, Closers to make sure your copy is as interesting as it can be, with just the right combination of keywords, subheads, and phrases. Well, I like it. This is actually not true, so I have to change this one, but overall, I like the pitch. Copy is one of the most underrated parts of your business. We've created a platform where copywriters can write awesome content for companies, brands, and individuals that will get results. So this one doesn't even mention artificial intelligence, but it's short and sweet, and I like it. We've built the world's most advanced AI and machine learning software that help copywriters and content marketers write great content. Our automated tools have been used by over 500k businesses, well, not yet, to create over 10 million pages of content. Yeah, that's great as well. So let's check the next one. We have found that 70% of marketers are not able to write engaging content, and that 95% of copy is never read. We use artificial intelligence to analyze the structure of your content, the best ways to get across your point, and which words to use to hook your readers. Well, this is actually true, because this is how the technology works. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the first results, but you can try this for yourself. You can just type anything you want here and write your own elevator pitch. Or if you really interested in what I did here and what this cryptic input 1 and input 2 means, then please go to closerscopy.com/help and then go to frameworks and then go to customize, and you will get a step-by-step tutorial on exactly what I did here, and you can build your own frameworks that write whatever you want.